Hello, a hearty welcome to you all. Namo Namaha. Sarvesham Hardam Swagatam.
What is this? Esha ka. By now you should know clearly that the definition of gender in English and Sanskrit are quite different. A word might be defined as neuter in English, but in Sanskrit it can be bracketed under either masculine, feminine or neuter category. Here you will learn how to answer the Esha ka question with a few ending feminine gender Sanskrit words that are listed as neuter in English. Here is a quick recap of the Sa Ka topic before proceeding to Esha Ka.
What is that? Saka.
That is an ambulance. Sa Rugnavahika.
What is this? Esha ka.
This is an ambulance. Esha Rugnavahika.
Sa and Esha both refer to the feminine gender only. Sa refers to someone or something far away from the speaker, whereas Esha refers to those near the speaker.
What is this? Esha Ka.
This is a weighing scale. Esha tula. What is this? Esha ka.
This is a boat. Esha Nauka. What is this? Esha Ka.
This is a dustbin. Esha avakarika. What is this? Esha ka.
This is a key. Esha Kunchika. What is this? Esha Ka.
This is wool. Esha urna.
Thank you very much. See you again. Dhanyavadaga. Punar milamaga.